One of the biggest passions I have in my life is increasing diversity in the dental profession. It's something that I've felt passionate about since I, was in my undergraduate training and saw how few people there were of color, people that I felt like really represented the population itself. My mother is an immigrant from another country, so I saw the struggle that she went through when she came here to kind of go through and get her education. So I feel like that's something that really impacted me in my learning. And so it's something that I've always felt like I wanted to do in my career, and I didn't know how I was going to do that. And I've been lucky in my role at NYU that I've been able to directly do that through programs like Saturday Academy, where we really work with high school students, primarily underrepresented in dentistry, and first-generation students who don't generally have access to these type of programs or the field of dentistry, or don't know anything about it, honestly, other than the dentist they go to, if they go to the dentist at all. And we really try to bridge those gaps from what parents are trying to do at home. Parents are trying to do their best to give their children what they didn't have, or give them the American dream, or whatever you want to call it. And we try to fill the gaps here and be lifelong mentors. It's not just about like doing a program and then see you later, we hope you do well, and we'll see you hopefully at NYU one day. It's about continuing with them, keeping track of them. That's part of my role with Saturday Academy, is really that alumni tracking. Like, where are the students now? Did they fall off the pathway? How can we get them back? Are they feeling discouraged? A lot of what we found in our 10 years with Saturday Academy is the biggest thing keeping our students, or these students, from achieving is usually discouragement. So they'll have pre-health advisors or advisors, whoever comes their way, telling them, maybe this isn't for you. Maybe you're not doing so well. Maybe you should try something else. And usually they'll believe it. So we're trying to be those people that tell them, no. Listen, you can do this. Remember you did this program with us and how great you were? Let's help you. Let's connect you with people. It's all about like being that constant sense of source of encouragement for these students. And so that's what we're doing with Saturday Academy. And I think that's what's happening with CCL as well, just at an earlier stage. And so I think working together, these programs, these pathway programs at different stages of these students' lives, is really essential to creating or moving towards equity in the health professions, and really every profession. But my goal is really within dentistry, because we want to look, studies, publications over the years have shown that when patients come and see doctors, dentists, healthcare professionals that look like them, that understand them, that have cultural competence, the health outcomes are better, they feel better, they're more compliant. So it just makes sense to me that this is the goal that we're moving for. We have to look like the patients we serve.